Crabs with ketchup by French Sheep Menu. Ingredients: crabs, sugar, soda, onion, ginger, salt, ground pepper, soy sauce, ketchup, cooking oil, water, and chive. First, put the 546.7 grams of crab into the pot. Pour 1 1/2 cup of Sprite into the pot. Add a pinch of salt, then let it simmer. Wait until the crabs turn to color orange. Set aside the crabs. Also, set aside the remaining stock in a separate bowl. For the sauce, put oil in the pan. Sauté 26.2 grams of chopped ginger and 1 piece of sliced onion. Add the remaining stock we set aside earlier. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add some pepper. Add 320 grams of ketchup. Add 1/2 cup of Sprite, then let it simmer. Add the crabs into the sauce, then mix it until it's covered in sauce. Lastly, add a pinch of salt. Here's your crabs with ketchup by French Sheep Menu. Thank you for watching.